Hello. This is a sneak peek at the data slider tool that Don Rudder created for me for a particular problem that I had working with somebody the other day. I'd already highlighted in a previous blog post about trying to be able to schedule the base constraint of walls and the fact that you can access it via the API, ODBC, or even tools like Bimlink. But actually, what if you wanted a quicker way to be able to do that? On the screen we have some walls, and I have a schedule which schedules all my walls here. So you can see here the family type, the length, and you can see I've included the comment column. If I just have a look at some of these walls, we've actually got a couple of groups in here as well. Now obviously we can see the base constraint and the top constraint of these walls. As I said, the particular access that we want to get to is the base constraint that wall's scheduled, that wall's basically created on, so therefore we can't schedule it. So whiz it over to my friend Mr. Rudder, and he weaves some magic and he came up with this data slider tool. So what you're seeing here really is, as I said, a sneak peek. The end tool might not be exactly like this, but something that we're going to certainly look to include within the case apps. So all I'm going to do is hit the data slider, and what we have here is access to all the categories, all the Revit categories that are available to us. So all I'm going to do is slide down to walls. So we choose the source parameter. So in this case we would like to schedule a base constraint, so this one here, and we're going to push it to a target parameter, so comments. At the moment you can see comments is not filled in, and if I just OK that, it starts to populate it. Now when you get a group, it's going to kick up this little warning, and what it will do, if I just keep hitting OK, it will go through all the groups. It'll extract the parameter from each wall in the group and then write it to our wall schedule. So that's the only annoying part. You're going to have to do a lot of clicking, but what at least it does, it gives you a warning at the end to say whether it's successful or it failed. In this case it was successful. If we close that, we can then see here in our wall schedule the base constraint scheduled out. Now obviously you're going to have to change the name comment to base constraint or something like that, but hopefully it'll be a really powerful and really useful tool at the same time. So yeah, look forward to it coming on case apps very soon.